They're about to unveil it, something I've been waiting for all year, the Nissan Leaf Nismo. Let's check it out. So this is pretty cool. I'm here with Olivier Bédard, the champion of the Nissan Micra Cup Series this year. Tell me a little bit about your history with the Micra Cup. When you started, how many championships you've won, what's happening with you?
So the series started in 2015, so we decided to jump on board in the Nissan Micra Cup during the first year. We won the championship the first year, and 2016 finished second in the championship, just a few points behind. And then 2017, 2018 we won the championship again. So out of 4 seasons we're 3-time champions, and with 3 different teams. So that spiced things up a little bit. Every year trying to adapt with the new team, and all the teams work with different way of working and stuff like that. So yeah, it was fun time in the Nissan Micra Cup, and we'll see about this year. What's the story of this year?
Well, we'll see what happens. I know I probably won't be in there this year. I know this guy, he better be in there this year because I want to see him driving this car. And about this car here, well, hold on a second, about the Micra Cup.
Yeah.
I got to tell him, so I'm in the senior class, he's in the, I guess, the professional class. I could see him coming in my mirrors after about 8 laps. That tells you how fast this guy can drive. Now, back to fast driving. What do you think of this baby?
I mean, that's a race car. And like I said to many people, if that's the future of racing, I'm all for it. It got 322 horsepower, 472 pounds of torque, and it's all carbon fiber. That car looks amazing to drive. I wish one day I'll be able to drive it, that's for sure.
You mentioned that it is all-wheel drive, this one?
It is all-wheel drive, 100% electric. It's got 2 motors.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and there's aerodynamic stuff with the wing, the diffuser.
Looks like everything's functional on this car.
It is.
They've tested it in Japan, obviously.
Exactly, yeah, and I've heard there's 6 cars like that in all the world.
Oh, excellent.
And we have one here in Canada, so we're pretty lucky.
Well, hopefully you get to drive this.
Yeah.
And maybe I can get to drive it after you. That'd be a good thing, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
All right. Olivier, thank you very much for all your input, man.
Thanks to you.
Thank you very much. And have a great season this year.
Thank you.
We hope you enjoyed that on the Leaf Nismo. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy your ride and drive.